Trader Crowdstrike. We called the Crowdstrike for the reversal. Don't buy stocks at parabolic highs and bull runs. And we did come back and we hit my trend line right to the penny. Not only that, we bought the call options and made a killing. Now, let's talk about today's gain. We were buying over here, but today we gap up. Yes, we did, and what a great gap that was. That stock broke out $15 intraday. CrowdStrike hasn't done that for a while. The high today was $276. Once again, that gain was 6% gain. Sign up. That's all I can tell you. We will put you in these big gains. This is the leadership stock today. And we had quite a few good breakouts. But once again, cybersecurity software has been doing real good. We uploaded our other trade, PANW. That is the leader. CrowdStrike is number 2 leader in the security software space. And we've had 3 up days in a row. And tomorrow we will set our stop losses in to protect our call options. We paid for the $275 call was 95 cents, went up to 4.85. So when we were buying CrowdStrike down there at other strike prices, we did. And we had bought a couple of days ago, we had bought the $260 calls. Today's low was $7.15, but we only paid $4.50 for these. And today's high was $16.65, just to give you the big intraday percent gainer leader. Once again, sign up for the YouTube channel. Let us walk you through entry and exits.